Welcome to session 12. We are winding down to our last two assignments. So this week you will be finalizing plans to post your book team presentation. You will get to interact with your book team group again this week as you all collaborate on contributing notes to and discussing how you're going to co-construct a presentation about how you want to share the key concepts that your team has decided are useful for your classmates. You will be creating this in a manner that allows for some interaction as the classmates see your presentation, and there will be discussion in week 14 from the other classmates about your presentation. Be sure to click on the Canvas box this week to open up some ideas about how to make your PowerPoint or whatever format you're using for your presentation more interactive with your classmates. You will be able to actually start creating this document and presentation toward the end of this week and all of next week so that it's posted by the Sunday evening midnight of session 13. Then all of the groups will be looking at the different book projects during week 14 and interacting with them then. So if your team has creative ideas about how to create your presentation, that's great. If you aren't sure what to do or you can't decide something together, the default for this is a narrated PowerPoint or a screencast-o-matic with a PowerPoint version where different people can talk through and have classmates, as they're listening, instruct them to hit the pause button for them to do the interactive portions, perhaps reflecting on some of your points or jotting an idea down, a memory, the things that are in the interactive tips section of this Canvas session 12. So you will be submitting this project to me by the following Sunday. So this week it's just creating notes and starting your presentation that has to be finished. You'll have all next week as well in session 13 to work on finishing that and posting it to me by the Sunday night at midnight of session 13. Then during session 14, all of the teams will be interacting with one another's project. If you have trouble uploading your PowerPoint or whatever platform you've used for your presentation, Prezi, Nearpod, etc., please email me. And you can use my Goucher and my Baltimore County emails, claire.cruft@goucher.edu and ccruft@bcps.org. Finally, the last link on Canvas in this session is examples of the culminating project for this class. Each student will post their individual project, which is the final assignment, during the beginning of session 15. So this is just a look ahead to give you some ideas and some think time for your final individual project. I'll explain more about this assignment next week, but if you click on the link in Canvas during this session, session 12, you can view a few of the PowerPoint examples from people in previous sections of this course. Remember, this is the first time that I've taught this course totally online, so these examples just include the PowerPoints, and people actually showed them live in their presentation groups in the past. During your final week this semester, you'll be creating a narrated PowerPoint or a screencast-o-matic presentation or some other creative format if you'd like, but you need to choose something that has you explaining what you're thinking and talking that through with getting your team in your culminating project group to reflect on the different kinds of notes than what has been important to them. So remember that these PowerPoint examples are just silent screens, but you are going to be doing this in a online format instead of the live interactive group from the previous semesters. Have a wonderful weekend and week to come.